I have literally no idea how the Pinterest girlies look like this when they do this. I just look like this. But anyways, hey guys, it's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. And we're gonna do a little self-care haul. Dun, 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 dun. Shall we unbox it? I think yes. What's in here? Ta-da! These are makeup removers. These are the cheapest, best ones I've ever found. I go through so many of these, I can't be spending $15 a pack, so. I got 200 of them for like, I think 14 bucks. I use these with the jojoba oil or whatever. I showed you guys my little routine the other day. I used the oil on the wipes, so good. It comes right off, it's so nice. Amazing, pretty. You know, if it gets off this crazy eyeliner, it's genuinely impressive. I still need to do a get unready with me video. It's on the list, I promise. So like, comment, subscribe for that, haha. But in contrast to taking off our makeup, how about putting it on? Ta-da! Beauty blenders. Except an off-brand because I'm super cheap. These are just really high quality. They come in like a dusty rose and a nude color. The best dupe beauty blenders I've ever bought. All right, let's do a little shower unboxing section. Dun 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 dun. I know, it's fun and exciting, Bear. Oh, this is gonna be high grandma fashion. Oh, she's fashion. I actually don't wash my hair every time I take a shower, obviously, so it is good to have like a nice little shower cap. This is actually a really good shower cap because I just fit all of my extensions up in there. So if you have thick hair. Oh my gosh, wait, I'm actually so excited for this. Fashion. Like, oh my gosh, y'all, the screenshots from this video are going to be absolutely serving, but ta-da! This is eucalyptus shower spray. I am obsessed with this.
I'll show me using this in a minute, but this just makes your shower turn into a literal spa. Fantastic.
Okay, these are my razors. They have the 5 blades, super soft. These just give you a super close shave and I love them. I also use the laser hair removal at home. I showed you guys that in a couple extra videos, but sometimes you just have like a couple extra hairs, so you know. Okay, kind of underappreciated, but amazing. Everybody needs a nose hair trimmer. All right, what's next? Oh, this is funny. Look, when you order them together, they glue them together. Here we go. Okay, anyways, hi. So this is my current shampoo and conditioner. I don't know why, but randomly I started getting dandruff. I don't know, so weird, but that's been a lifesaver. But this has been really helping. I get the Color Protect one because like I said, I dye my hair out of the box. This is the hair dye that I have been using lately. I used to use John Frieda, however, they stopped selling that in stores, and I actually prefer this color.
It keeps my hair nice and jet black and fabulous and just shiny and sexy.
My favorite! This is literally the most old school beauty favorite ever. This is like 10 bucks. Literally all it is clay. However, this makes your skin look so good. I love this mask. I'll show you guys me using it. Insert little jump clip here. Looks like a really weird science experiment, but you can see I literally just mix it with a little bit of water. Again, my nails come in handy for everything. Yay. Then I literally just put it on my face like this. I put it on my neck too, just for some extra Frankenstein vibes. Oh, she's pretty. Oh no, I got it all over my camera. Oops. Do you guys see that? What are you gonna do? So professional. Beautiful. And then I just let this sit on my skin for like 10 minutes till it gets all crusty. In the meantime, I think we'll trim our nose hairs just to add to the glamour of this situation. Oh yeah. Nose hairless legend. I'm gonna put this on my Raya profile. Okay. All right, I'd say that's pretty crusty. So let's take a shower and wash it off. You can like barely even move your face when it's this crusty. That's how you know it's working.
Okay, so here's my little mini shower routine. First of all, how beautiful is my shower? So stinking cute, but here we go.
Wow, my OnlyFans would be so sexy. Anyways, just gonna rinse this off. I didn't really get it all yet, but do you see? Look at that little baby butt. I can't believe I'm literally filming a video in the shower. This is deranged, but literally just spray this on the floor. You just kind of spray it like this. And then it like wafts up and just smells amazing. The shower smells like a eucalyptus spa now. Oh my gosh, and after we can put on our brand new towel dress. Bruh. I love it. P.S. just random bonus haul items. I love these little like rat tail combs. I use them to find the perfect middle part. See? Amazing. And by the way, this little Remington hair dryer that you can get on Amazon for like 30 bucks is the best hair dryer I've ever used. By the way, after I take a shower, usually I use this lotion, Vaseline. Great, just keeps you extra soft. Also, you might notice I am pretty pale at the moment. I am out of this. I should have bought more, unfortunately, but this is my tanning lotion. Bondi Sands, this is the best. You've seen me use this in a lot of videos.
Like you can kind of see here, just gives me a nice little golden glow.
I'm literally gonna order more right now, but that's what I use to make me look nice and golden and bronzy. But for now, I'm Snow White. Okay, anyways, back to the haul. So you guys already know one of my favorite things to do ever is make my mood boards. Manifesting is really important, so I always have a dream board, vision board of everything that, you know, I want for the year. You guys always see me make these. However, the mood boards aren't the only thing that I do. You guys have seen me post on Instagram.
I also do little affirmations where I'll sit down and really kind of meditate and put exactly what I want out into the universe.
It totally counts as a little self-care ritual because it makes you feel like just really good about the world and life and everything. And since my other favorite self-care thing aside of that is shopping.
I had some of my personal favorite laws of attraction put on a necklace. Oh my gosh, isn't this just the cutest thing you've ever seen? So we have two little tablets. We have the silver tone and the gold tone. It says the universe conspires to give me all I desire, all I wish to be, I am, luck belongs to me, fortune favors my heart, all magic is mine.
Cool reminder you can have everything you dream of, you know?
Solid stainless steel, so they're waterproof and everything. A physical manifestation of your dreams, you know? Like a mood board you can wear around your neck.
So now every day I can wear it close to my heart, you know? Just a nice little way to remember that you're everything and more. A little bit of self-love, but from me to you. So if you guys want to shop those, they're limited edition. I only have 500 of each. So happy shopping. And now, a little bit more hauling. You know, P.S. actually, while we're on the topic of jewelry and manifesting and such as, you saw I have on my mood board, I have 333 on there.
So I've been working super hard on it. We also have a bunch of new things. We have the rose quartz cross necklace. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. The opal necklace, the other cross necklace. We just have all sorts of beautiful new things on the website. So it's a little piece of my heart from me to you, but it's a piece of your heart back to mine when you shop. So thank you. Genuinely, it's means the world.
Are you ready for this? Woo! This is what long nails are for. You know, I'm not gonna lie, I've literally no idea what this is. What the? Oh wait, just kidding, I know. Hair ties. Despite being cheap, these are the really nice thick ones that don't damage your hair and like hold on really well.
Y'all know I love a good ponytail moment, so yeah, this is what keeps my Ariana Grande-esque hair up.
Okay, so now coming back, since we're a little bit on hair a bit, my hair. I have shown me unboxing this now like 8 million times, and I'm sure you're bored of seeing it, but I am not bored of showing it. These hair extensions are literally in the top 5 best things I've ever bought on Amazon in my entire life, which is really saying a lot because I've bought like, God only knows how many things. These are beautiful. These are the ones that I usually wear every day that like make you look like you just had a blowout because they're like pre-cut layered. Ugh, fabulous.
Like these are the ones that I wear every day. Gorgeous, look at that. Ooh, these are more blowout-y, fabulous, but yeah, also cheap and fire. Love them. Okay, talk about the holy grail of amazingness. Daily Strength Energy. This is just B12 and goji berry and some random stuff. The happy one, vitamin D and saffron. And this is Goodbye Stress. This has, I don't know, whatever these are.
Honestly, I saw these on TikTok and one of my girlfriends recommended them to me. I have been taking them and I've literally never felt better. I don't know if it's the placebo effect, I don't know, but I literally have never felt so good. Like, I feel like I started taking drugs, I'm not even kidding. So yeah, I don't know. 20 out of 5 stars, phenomenal. Per another recommendation of a friend, and I consider us friends, so I'm telling you, I linked some of my favorite special things in the description. Leave your situationship right now and get that instead. Anyways. Oh, hell yeah. Teddy bear outfit.
Another underrated self-care thing is outfits. You want to wear what makes you feel good, especially soft stuff.
I love loungewear. You guys know I travel a lot, so I always need like something soft to wear. Also just to go run errands and be soft and warm, like wearing a blankie outside. So this is a cute little Skims dupe. You can see it's like the fleece, it's super soft. It's got the top and it's got the little jacket. La! High fashion teddy bear. Another thing I'm obsessed with though is robes. I call these like sugar daddy dyed robes. I have a million of them. I love these fancy little robes, just like the one that I'm wearing. Oh, like, isn't this beautiful? I got this on Amazon, so good. Very luxurious, very old Hollywood glamour movie star-esque. Y'all know this is how I fully believe you should lounge around your house. Oh, gorgeous. I have so many. Like, these are the luxurious ones that I like to wear around the house when I'm feeling spicy. There's the sugar daddy robes, glamorous movie star, and then there's what I call real bathrobes. And then I have my non-sexy ones. I love these. These are like for when I'm lounging around the house and don't want to feel fabulous. These are for when like you're actually wet or something and you like need to dry off. But honestly, this is kind of sexy in a old grandpa way too. So I'm also a firm believer that even sitting around your house, you should feel very glamorous and fabulous. So these are my little slippers. You can see I matched them to the robe for extra fabulosity, but it's just very fun to luxuriate around your house in, you know? Oh, yes, darling. Now our feet look like your butt. Beep, beep. You guys know I have a huge lingerie collection, but self-care is a lot about feeling good like underneath what's on the outside. So that was a long way of saying lingerie counts as self-care. Ooh, like even just a little set for yourself like this. I mean, I guess it could be for someone, but if you're me, it's for me. Like the little green lace and the teddy bodysuit. If you want to lounge around the house and really feel spicy, this is the way to do it. These underwear are phenomenal. They're so comfortable. Little like lace thongs. So anyways, yeah, when I'm not wearing like really fancy lingerie, I'm just wearing these. I don't even know how many I got. I got so many and I think it was only like 15 bucks. Good deal, good deal. Hot girls always need a lot of underwear. I don't know why, but you do. Even just coordinated loungewear for yourself is gonna make you feel extra cute. Like these are just some of the ones I have. I have 100 billion. I have the thick one, I have that thin one, I have the thin one in white, and I have probably 700 more, but I love these little matching sets. Feeling cute on the outside makes you feel cute on the inside, and vice versa. Or even just something like this, a cute little like lace satiny dress. Why not dress up, even if it's just for yourself? Or I'm sorry, I meant to say for you. And ta-da, here's the second one. Honestly, I think I like this one better. What do you think, George? Okay, rock on. Really need to buy a steamer. You know what? If you want a self-care thing, buy a fucking steamer. I actually have one that's amazing. I just never am like pre-thought out enough to take it out and steam stuff before I film my videos. However, if I ever remembered to use it, good stuff. Literally just went to Victoria's Secret yesterday to buy some more lingerie for myself because I have a problem and can't stop. But also bought these candles. I'm obsessed with this scent. These candles are so good. They were on sale, so I got a lot of them. I have candles all over the house because everyone knows bitches love candles, but my favorite place actually to get them from is Home Goods, which I also went to the other day. My favorite self-care activities in the world is coming to Home Goods. It's like, sure, I could go to therapy or I could just wander Home Goods for 7 hours. Same effect. Ah, the candle aisle. I love candles. I'll literally sit here and smell them for like hours. I don't like that. I love getting candles at Home Goods because even for a huge one, it's only 14 bucks. You guys know I love to complain about everything being expensive. So we love these. No way, a juicy couture candle? Thrilling. So these are the ones that I got there, cherry blossom and honey, and I decided to try the juicy couture candle. It actually smells really good. P.S. Speaking of smelling good, perfume, you know I'm obsessed with it. One of my favorite scents is actually the Pure Seduction Victoria's Secret body spray. Same scent as the candle, and I showed this in my perfume collection video, but Saint Laurent Black Opium. Ooh, again, I'm a big believer. Smell good, feel good. How about a little self-grooming? Ah, yes, do you guys recognize? If I'm going on vacation or something, I get my nails done in the salon, but usually I do my nails with these. This is the Kiss Bare But Better collection. You can see they're like a really nice little see-through nude color. These are just fabulous, not to mention so long, which, like I said, I like to claw stuff. Thebomb.com. Ta-da! My little beauty spray favorites. I showed this in, I think, my last Amazon haul. I'm obsessed with this, but the little face cleanser and the beauty spray. Obsessed with both of these. Ready for bed. I love the little sprays. I don't really know what they do, but they make me feel nice. Ta-da! Okay, these are just the little face razors that I use. I literally do shave my face. You've seen me do it in videos. Good stuff. Yes, another self-care favorite thing that I have, since this is turning into a favorite things video. You gotta get this. You just gotta.
You guys saw me do my little at-home eyebrow lamination video.
They're really effed up at the moment because I'm like growing them out. So don't look at them too close, but.
Usually they look fire, and this is one of the best beauty products I've ever purchased, ever.
Yay! So this is my little bath relaxy pillow. I love taking baths. I got a whole bunch of stuff, so I'll unbox it real quick here and then I'll go take a bath and show you. Million times. This is actually for the bath, but this is the best bubble bath I have ever used. For this stuff, watch this. It's starting. Like, look at this. That's amazing. And my little back pillow, so wonderful. Oh, this is the life. In fact, there's too many bubbles, which means there's the perfect amount. I actually sit in the tub like every night. I love sitting in the tub. I don't usually wear a bikini when I do it, but turn off the jets so you can hear me.
Like I said in my list of 30 things I learned turning 30, I'm gonna take myself stargazing and buy myself flowers and give me the world, you know? Spend time with people you love, do things you love. Like I also said, you know, romanticize your life. What else are we here for?
I love you. Kisses till next time. XO.
I don't even know what self-care is, because every day for you is self-care. He just sits and sits and sits. I love you.
By the way, there's no sheets on my bed at the moment because they're in the laundry. Self-care.